first impression is the initial opinion that people make when they meet another person. Making a good first impression is very important in various aspects of life, whether it's during a job interview, a social gathering, or meeting someone new. Research shows that it takes between just 33 to 100 milliseconds for someone to form an opinion about your character. Here are 10 essential tips to make a positive and lasting first impression. Dress appropriately. Your appearance plays a significant role in forming a good first impression. Dressing appropriately for the occasion shows respect and consideration for the people you are meeting. Be on time. Arriving on time for meetings or appointments shows respect for other people's time. Arriving early is much better than arriving late, and is the first step toward creating a good first impression. Be smiling. A smile is a powerful tool that can make a good first impression. It has the ability to instantly create a positive and welcoming atmosphere. It communicates a range of emotions such as happiness, friendliness, and interest without saying a word. Make eye contact. Eye contact is a nonverbal form of communication. Making eye contact is a show of honesty, and it shows respect to the person whom you are talking to. Maintaining eye contact also shows that you're paying attention to the other person and listening to him attentively. Maintain good body language. Maintaining good posture and using positive body language are key elements in making a good first impression. A firm handshake standing or sitting up straight can help convey confidence and establish a lasting connection. Be a good listener. To make a good first impression, you need to be a good listener. Active listening shows that you value the other person's thoughts and opinions. Avoid interrupting and allow the person to express themselves fully. Show positivity and enthusiasm. Showing positivity and enthusiasm is about creating a genuine and uplifting environment for yourself and those around you. By preparing a positive mindset and expressing genuine excitement, you can make a great first impression. Be confident. Confidence plays a vital role in making a lasting first impression. When you show confidence, you project a positive image and create an impact that can leave a lasting impression on others. Be authentic. Authenticity is essential for building trust and forming meaningful connections. Being authentic means knowing your strengths and weaknesses and communicating them in a considerate way. Be yourself, and let your true personality shine through. Be empathetic. Empathizing with others can contribute to a strong connection. Pay attention to the emotional well-being of the person that you are talking to. Making others feel heard and understood goes a long way in creating a positive impression. Come prepared. Coming prepared not only sets a positive impression to others but also boosts your own confidence and readiness. It allows you to engage in meaningful conversations, shows your expertise. By giving time and effort in preparation, you certainly develop a lasting and positive first impression. Final words. Making a good first impression is a skill that can be developed with practice and self-awareness. By considering these tips, you can enhance your interpersonal interactions and leave a positive and lasting impact on the people you meet. Remember, a first impression is only the beginning, but it sets the foundation for building meaningful connections and lasting relationships.